Hello friends, let's try to understand NG content today. So this is the our app on which we are working on right now. Uh, this is how it looks. Three cards, right? So okay. So suppose this is our card component, right? This is the starting tag and this is the closing tag. And I try to pass uh, some HTML here, right? So what I'll do, I'll write H4 header and I'll write this is header. Right? So what basically I'm doing is in the app component, this is the child component. The child component between the starting and closing tag, I'm adding an HTML or I'm passing a template, right? So let's see what exact actually happens. So if you look at the screen, you'll see nothing happens, right? Basically nothing happens here. Now let's put a ng content inside child component. I'll put it below description. Okay. I will save this. Let's see this one. Okay. So now you see, right? This is the header has appeared. So what basically is happening, like, so you can pass an HTML template inside a component, right, child component, and it can get projected or injected inside that child component in the HTML, right? So for that we use ng content uh, projection or ng content tag, right? So what I'll do, I'll add one more uh, tag inside this. So suppose this is span, and I'll call it this is span. So that is fine. So what we understood, like whatever we put inside this component within opening and closing tag, it will just directly get rendered inside the ng content of that component, right? Now there is some more to this. Something I mean, so basically we are passing a HTML elements or HTML components inside a component. Now there is something more, like suppose I call this tag. I just want to, so there are multiple elements, right? Inside there are multiple elements, and I want to project only one of these elements inside the component. So what I'll do, I'll use a property select from the ng content, and I'll pass it h4. Right? So this is the element tag. Okay? And let's see. So you'll see only header has appeared over here, right? Because we have passed the property header, passed the property select. And suppose I'll pass it here span. Then it will project the span. Also, there are different way to select. So this is the element selection. Now we can if I pass here, um, I give it a ID, and here I'll give a class. So select header ID. And what I'll do, I'll select ng content. One more, I'll add one. So you can add multiple ng contents also inside the component. Right? And inside the select, I'll use class this time. Span class. So you see, so we can select on the basis of ID, element tag itself, on the basis of class, and also on the basis of ID. Okay. So yeah, so basically this is what ng content is used for. I mean, it is used to just project elements or components. Uh, yeah. And suppose I'll add now have one more. Let's have one more. Um, we can add a paragraph, right? Inside the paragraph, I'll add something. This is card, and we are learning Angular. So if we go here, it doesn't appear, right? Yeah. Why? Because right now, whatever ng content projection we have done, it's tied up to the this ID and class. So what we can do, want to project that as well, the paragraph, just have to add ng content, and whatever does not matches, right, to header and span class will get projected inside this empty ng content. So if you see, this is garden, we are learning Angular. So this was overall implementation of ng content. We'll learn more about it, how to use it in the real life. Okay. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.